it's Grace and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some DIY photo props for your American Girl dolls. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So to start off, I have this M&M container. I took out the plastic and I made a bunch of little signs. So I'll be showing you guys how to make them. But first off, I just made some little signs and I made them to the size that you could put them inside the little container here. I made a rose, some little hair bows. This one's super cute. You can put it in your little doll's hair. And a little birthday hat. And the last one is this mustache for your dolls. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this really simple. So let's go. So the things you're going to be needing for this project is paper, and you can choose whichever color you'd like. You'll also be needing another paper to cut into a strip for the photo prop backing, some scissors, a pencil, and also a hot glue gun. And make sure you guys have parent permission before you use a hot glue gun on your own. So now let's get into outlining the mustache. Okay, so I've just outlined the mustache and this is what it looks like. So that's what I drew. Now I'm just going to be cutting it out so that I'll be able to cut it more closer together. So now I'm just going to try to trim it around the edges to make sure it looks how I like. And I'm going to try to mark out the pencil mark because I want it to look like I didn't actually draw it. So we're just going to continue doing this until I'm all done, but I'm really excited because I feel like doll photo props are super cool, and I've never seen anyone else do this idea, so I feel like it's really unique, and I love to make little things for my dolls, and I find it really, really fun. So I'm just going to continue cutting this out, and we're almost at the end here, and then once I'm done, I'll show you guys the next step. So I finished cutting it out, and I tried to make all the lines. I tried to cut around it as best as I could. The other side is like alphabet ties, which is pretty cool, but this is the side I'm going to be using. So now my hot glue gun is ready, and I'm just going to attach it. Okay guys, so now it's time for the final step, which is gluing the stick to the paper mustache. So all I'm going to do is take this and I'm going to glue it, hot glue it right there so that they can hold it with one hand and it'll go in the middle. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So my glue gun has been running a bit, so I'm just going to take it up here and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the tip of the stick here. Okay guys, so now I'm going to take my little mustache here and I'm going to stick that on the side. So the glue is spreading now, so I'm just going to hold it down. It's very hot, so be careful. It's almost done. Oh, look how cute that is. That's super cute, guys. So now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on my dolls. So I've got my little setup here, and this bed that my two dolls here are on, I got for my birthday 2 years ago, and it's really cute, and it's from American Girl. So this is what the mustache looks like that we made. It's super, super cute, and I love it a lot, and it's such a pretty light pink color. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can put it on your dolls. So I put this clear rubber band on their arms, so that's all I did. And then you can take your little mustache and a piece of tape. So all I'm going to do is put the piece of tape on the mustache, or maybe a bit lower down. And then we can put this through her arms and we can adjust it. So I'm going to find a little place that looks so I got the mustache on her, and this is what it looks like. It's super cute, and then I've got the rest of my little photo props down there. So all my dolls are really cute. So the one right over here is wearing a little bow. She's wearing the mustache she made, and she's wearing the little sparkle sign. The mustache is super cute, guys, and it's very easy to make, and the end result is gorgeous. And I love to use them on the dolls because you can have a little party scene or anything like that, and they look absolutely adorable. So much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how to do a DIY doll photo props. And this is a super cute way to do it, and it's really fun, and you can play many, many things with it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and turn on my post notifications to be notified every single time I upload a video. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!